In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose a brand, set the amount, and send it straight to someone's inbox, quickly and securely. Start by opening the official PayPal website in your browser. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your address bar so you know you're on the real site. Once the page loads, log in to your PayPal account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security checks, complete them as directed, and wait until your account dashboard is visible. Next, go to the digital gift cards store. You'll typically find it through the shopping or gifts section on the site. If you see a dedicated digital gift cards area, click into it to view the available brands. This is the centralized place where PayPal lists cards that are delivered by email. Now, choose the gift card brand you want. Take a moment to read the brand details on the product page, including any regional restrictions, delivery notes, and terms of use. This helps ensure the card will work where and how the recipient intends to use it. Select the gift card amount. Many brands offer preset amounts, and some may allow you to enter a custom value within a specified range. Pick the amount that fits your budget and the occasion. Double-check the currency and make sure it matches what you expect. Enter the recipient email address or your own email if you plan to forward the card later or print it. Type carefully and confirm there are no typos, since the gift card will be sent to exactly what you enter here. If there's a field for a message, you can add a short note. This is optional, but it's a nice touch to personalize the gift and let the recipient know who it's from and why they're receiving it. When everything looks good, click Pay with PayPal. You'll see a summary showing the brand, the amount, and the recipient email. Review these details closely. If anything needs correcting, go back and adjust it before you proceed. Confirm the payment to finalize your purchase. After the confirmation, PayPal processes the order and prepares delivery. The gift card is sent by email. The recipient should receive it shortly, often within minutes, though delivery can sometimes take a bit longer. Remind them to check their inbox and spam or promotions folders just in case. That's it. Simple, fast, and convenient. Now you know how to buy a gift card on PayPal from start to finish.